Sai, why don't you introduce yourself? And,
Sure.
What's your spiel? What are you doing here at the show?
Sounds good. My name is Sai. I'm with EmbedUR Systems. We're doing a Model Nova booth this year at Embedded World around our Edge AI business unit, showcasing some of our proprietary models that we have for licensing, as well as our end-to-end development platform, which is really our highlight this year, Model Nova Fusion Studio.
Yeah, that's right, Fusion Studio. Very cool. So people will use that as kind of a workflow from sort of development, deployment, all the way through model, data set manipulation, model training, the whole thing.
Correct, yeah. So anything from data set labeling, so you prepare your data for your model, all the way to training, benchmarking, and deploying. So one of our big news this year is we partnered with another Edge AI Foundation partner, Aleph, and we're now supporting direct deployment to the Aleph on Solmo series hardware.
Oh, very cool.
All the way up to the brand new E8 with the U85 processor.
I was going to say, yeah, so Aleph, for those who don't know, the U85 is the ARM AI accelerator. So they're actually running like language models on an MCU.
Exactly. Yeah, it's a powerful piece of hardware. Yeah, it's awesome.
So what do you think is going to be? What's your prediction for next year?
I'd love to see more integration with our tool and hardware platforms. I think, working with Henrik and his team has been awesome. Also working with ARM on that front, really making sure that we can align with the ARM development ecosystem as well. Yep. I think that's a good way forward to make sure everyone in the community can develop models ready for production. Love to see more and more use cases come out. I think we've seen a lot of vision last year and this year.
Okay.
Excited to see more things in the audio space, speech to text, and so on.
Cool. Yep. Excellent. Do you find any good restaurants here?
Always.
Sai's a bit of a gourmand, so.
If you haven't been yet, I'd recommend Travolta. I think you went to, where'd you go last night? You'd mentioned a place.
I went to Maestro last night.
Okay, Maestro.
It was okay.
You went to a place called Tapacito, right?
Oh, that's tonight.
Oh, that's tonight. So I haven't been there. It looks good, though.
Big party tonight.
Next door is Travolta.
Okay.
Try that out tomorrow if you have time. Great pizza.
Excellent.
Yeah, great pizza.
Always good to see you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you for having me.